Hey y'all, what's up? It's Mando and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I always say this, but literally you already know what's the deal. I'm back with another video. Today's video is basically we're gonna be trying to recreate Emma Chamberlain's Thanksgiving dinner, because I was like, I'm going to my friend's Thanksgiving tomorrow, like a Friendsgiving. So I was like, let me just make that pie and then maybe try out the turkey, but I'm not really a fan of like fake meat. So I'm not a fan of turkey in the first place. So I'm gonna see what I find here. I already have all the ingredients on my phone. And I didn't go to Sprouts because I went to Walmart because I don't have Sprouts money. I have Walmart money to buy groceries, but not Sprouts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then take y'all with me, and then we'll see what's the turnout, see if it's good or not, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm done with Walmart. No footage because there were so many people in there that I didn't want people looking at me. So this is gonna be like a little Walmart haul. So I got the graham pie crust because I don't have time to make crust, just like Emma Chamberlain, because we're gonna follow her. We have the flaxseed, which I think it's like flour now that I think of it, because it's in the flour section. We have our pumpkin organic, and I got organic because it was cheaper than the regular one. I know, weird. And then this pumpkin spice took me forever to find, but I found it, so that's good. And then we have this coconut milk, a taste of thigh. It's unsweetened. Like, she didn't really explain what kind of coconut milk, so I'm just guessing it's this. But that's all I got at Walmart because they were out of brown sugar. How is like a marketplace out of brown sugar? To me, I don't know. But when I was thinking, I came to the realization that, you know what, maybe I can like go to the market. But I was like, well, market's open when I get off of work super late, like at 1 in the morning. Then I thought of Winco. And then I was like, okay, if I go to Winco, I can vlog. And if I vlog, then I can go ahead and buy other things that I need for groceries that I haven't bought yet. So right when I go ahead and get off of work, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the items for this. And then we're gonna see maybe if they sell like the fake turkey, because I don't even know if I want to eat that turkey, because I don't like turkey in general. And fake meat, it just grosses me out. I don't know, because I don't know what's in it. But we'll see that after work. I'll go to Winco and then we're gonna be able to vlog, because at 1 in the morning there's no one in there and they're open 24 hours. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, we're gonna get back to it. So yeah, we're just gonna go to Winco now, okay? Hey yo. Okay, good morning, afternoon. I don't know what time it is, but we're gonna be making the pumpkin pie. I have all the ingredients right here to make it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and follow along with her video to see how I make it. It takes 5 hours to make, and it's 3:12, and my Thanksgiving dinner is at 6, so that's 3 hours. So let's see if it turns out okay.
It says that you have to let your pumpkin pie rest for 5 hours. So I'm gonna make it, and then I can't eat it for 5 hours. So they said that you're supposed to put all the ingredients into a blender, so let's just get out my blender. This is weird. 1 can of pumpkin. Coconut milk?
Oh, she's going too fast. We'll just wait. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in this coconut milk. Let's see if it tastes good. Okay, it tastes okay.
Wow. Why does it taste so good? Yum! Rolled oats. Why? That's weird. I actually feel like this might be the first cooking with Emma that actually doesn't go that bad. So I'm hoping for the best, because I feel like I'm following the recipes, and this is like, come on, the fucking fake turkey thing. I mean,
okay, I don't know how much ground oats she put. I'm just gonna put 3/4 of a cup because I didn't see how much she put in. Okay, this already looks like so much more stuff than what she had. We'll just keep on watching.
I literally spent 4 hours in Whole Foods today trying to find this fucking flaxseed, and then I told the guy, I was like, where's the flaxseed? And then he was like,
oh, no one can ever find it.
And then I was like, thank you for validating me, because I felt stupid. This is awesome. I'm not washing this. I'll just blow on it and then put it back into my drawer. Now that is living.
Okay, from the video, it literally looks like she puts So I have this flax seed. At first I was gonna get actual seeds, and then I saw that it was ground, so get ground if you're trying to make it. But she doesn't even explain how much, so I'm just gonna put a tablespoon because it looked like a tablespoon in her video. Hopefully it works.
Oh, is my oven preheated? Bitch, let's get to working. We'll see you in 45 minutes, babe. Thanksgiving cooking takes...
Okay, she didn't even say how much to preheat the oven, and I haven't preheated it, so we're off to a good start. Let me just look online to see like how long it takes. Or I think it's like 325. Okay, I'm just gonna do 350 because that's like the normal temperature.
Guess what else I couldn't find in the store? Pumpkin pie spice. Guys, don't do this at home.
Okay, so she didn't even say how much brown sugar she put in. I want mine to taste... Oh God, I cannot open this. Pretty sweet. It looks like she put another tablespoon, so...
It's actually cooking. I normally don't really like it that much, but like...
Okay, I don't see how much she puts, but it looks like a little bit. So for that one, I'm gonna do a teaspoon. And then I think she puts cinnamon.
Make this video more fun. I won't, but I could. But I won't. 1, 2, I think I'm done.
Okay, maybe 2 teaspoons. Okay, I don't even have enough, so I'm just gonna put the whole thing.
Okay, honestly, I'm not even gonna measure the salt. I'm just gonna do it. Just...
Got salt.
Oh my God, I love cooking! Let's fucking blend it.
Okay, wait, she's already blending, so I don't have vanilla extract, so we're just gonna do it without it. Oh my God, she should say that it makes a mess because the cinnamon got everywhere and now I'm stressing out. Honestly, like super upset that we don't have vanilla extract because I feel like that makes it taste good. But we're gonna blend it because she blended it and then we'll see. Okay, and in mine's not blending, like you can still see the white on the top, so I'm just gonna like blend it by hand. Wait, I found vanilla extract. I knew we had some. I just knew it. So I'm gonna put it because it's not tasting that good right now. So I'll put this so it tastes good. So it's blended. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like put it in the crust like she does. I don't like this cooking. Bada bing, bada... Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this thing is like... It honestly does not taste that bad. It does not taste that bad. Okay, I'm gonna see how long she says.
Oh my God, no way. No
Cook
way.
it for.
It literally looks like pumpkin pie. I mean, I don't know what else it would look like, but it doesn't look
Okay,
bad.
mine doesn't look like that. Okay, I put a little bit too much.
It's actually good. I really hope I don't fuck this up because I actually am excited. Everything has to bake. So I'm gonna go... my ass. I'll see you guys when everything's ready. Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, 45 minutes.
Get it out.
I'm gonna put it for 45 minutes because I saw somewhere that said 45 minutes and then you wait like maybe 5 hours. Wait, can you put foil in the oven? It's already in there. Got it in for 45 minutes. I'll be back in 45 minutes. We'll see how it is, and then afterwards I'm gonna put it in the fridge for like 2.5 hours, and then I'll take it to my friend's house, and then yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna show you if it like looks good after 45 minutes, and then we'll get onto it. So bye, and it's here. Okay, so let's see if you can look. I want to see if you can see it, but it's a little like not like, you know, like it's kind of a little burnt or like kind of crunchy, but it's gonna be like pumpkin cake because I don't know. So we'll see if my friends like it. Y'all see in the next video, but thank you so much again for watching. Follow me on all my social medias. Everything is at mandoulysses, my Instagram, my Twitter, my YouTube channel, everything. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace out.